Hello students, so welcome to my YouTube channel video. I have created this video so that I can share this and you can easily understand, as sometimes in Google Meet the sounds are not audible, so I am creating this video for you. So as you already have learned multiplication in your earlier classes also, so in this chapter you are going to learn how to multiply bigger numbers. But before that, let us go through some properties of multiplication. The first property that you get is commutative property. Now, according to this property, it says that the product of two numbers remains same even if the order is changed. Order is changed means, say for example, if I take 10 into 2, I get 20. Now let me change the order. Let me write 2 first and then 10. That is 2 into 10. The answer doesn't change. The answer remains same. So this is what I'm saying here, that even if you change the order in multiplication, the answer won't change. It remains same. This property is called commutative property. Next, we have associative property. In associative property, you have to take either 3 numbers or say more numbers, say 4 5 numbers, and then you multiply them. Now when you multiply them, when you multiply more than two numbers, that is 3 numbers, 4 numbers, we make a group for multiplying. So the grouping can be done in different ways. You can take other 2 numbers as a group, I can take another 2 numbers as a group, and then continue the multiplication. But you will find that whatever group you make, the answer do not change. The answer remains same. Say for example 2 into 4 into 5. Say I have decided that I will first multiply these two, so I have taken them in a bracket, I have grouped them, I multiply them first and then I multiply 5 with it, I get 40. Say you come to me and say that no sir, I will take these two as a group. Okay fine, you take these two as a group, you multiply them first and then you multiply 2 with it, you still get 40. If another person can come and say that no, I will take 2 and 5 as a group. Okay fine, 2 into 5 and the 4 is still there, 2 5 are 10 into 4 and the answer is still 40. So that is what I am saying. Whatever grouping you make, the multiplication will always remain the same, and such property is known as associative property. Next property that we learn here is multiplicative identity. Identity, the word means something which is same. So here what you will find that when any number is multiplied by 1, so I take any number and multiply it by 1, the number will remain same. The answer that you will get will be the number itself. Say for example, I take a number 70 and I multiply it by 1, or I multiply 1 with 70. Whatever way you do it, the answer is the number itself, that's 70. Say I take another number 23 into 1, or I do it as 1 into 23, I will get the number itself, that is 23. That means the identical number. So that is why it is known as multiplicative identity. So when I ask you what is the multiplicative identity of a number, the answer will be 1. Next comes distributive property of multiplication over addition. I have not written the statement, it is quite long, you will find it in your book. It is clearly given the definition. Now the distributive property says that, this property says that a number is multiplied with the sum of two numbers. This one I could have done in this way also, 5 into 4 plus 7, that is 11, 5 into 11, 55. This is a smaller number, okay fine, this is quite easier, but sometimes the numbers might be quite complicated, might be quite bigger. In that case, what you can do, you can distribute a number. In this case, the 5 is first multiplied with the first number, that is 5 into 4. The operation in between is plus, so I put a plus here, and then again the 5 will be multiplied with the second number, that is 5 into 7. So 5 4s are 20 plus 5 7s are 35. You add them, you get the same answer, that is 55. So this is your distributive property. Let's now continue with the multiplication of large numbers. I've just taken a small example here. It can be more than big, it can be even bigger numbers, say the numbers having up to lakhs, up to 10 lakhs. I'm just taking an example how to do it. You already know this. This is just a revision type I'm showing you here. So what we do is that first we start with 5. 5 6 are 30. So we have a remainder 3. 5 5 are 25 plus 3, 28. So 2 carries here. 5 3 are 15 plus 2, 17. 1 carries here. 5 2 are 10 plus 1, 11. Now in the next step, when I'll start with 3, I have to leave this place empty. Either you can just keep it empty, or you can put a cross, or you can put a 0, whatever you have learned, or you can simply just start from here. So if you have a problem at the beginning, you can put a cross here or a 0 here. So 3 6 are 18, again 1 will be carry. 3 5 are 15 plus 1 16, again 1 carry. 3 3 are 9 plus 1 10, again 1 carry. 3 2 are 6 plus 1 7. Now in the next step you have to put 2 places empty, and then start from here. So we will do it 2 now. 2 6 ja 12, 1 carry. 2 5 ja 10 plus 1 11, 1 carry. 2 3 ja 6 plus 1 7, nothing is carry now. 2 2 ja 4. We still have one more number, so this time we will put 3 places empty, and we will start with 1. 1 6 ja 6, 1 5 ja 5, 1 3 ja 3, and 1 2 ja 2. So it's 0. 8 plus 8, 16, we have 1 carry. 7 plus 6, 13, plus 2 15, and then 1 carry is there, 16. So again 1 gives carry. 6 7 8 plus 1 9, so the carry is no more carry is there now. Now 7 plus 7 14, plus 5 19, and there is one more 1 20. So 2 gets carried. 4 plus 3 7 8 9, and then we have 2. So this is how we multiply large numbers.